Have you ever wondered about the power of food to heal your body? Your kidneys work hard, filtering and cleaning your blood, but sometimes they need a little help. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your kidneys thrive on certain foods. Imagine giving your kidney a natural boost, helping them to work better and stay healthy. In this video, we'll discover foods that are like a repair kit for your kidneys, packed with nutrients that support kidney health and help them bounce back. So, if you're ready to give your kidneys the care they deserve, let's begin. 12. Olive oil, the smooth operator for kidneys. Olive oil is like the gentle friend for your kidneys. It's full of good stuff like vitamin E and mostly has unsaturated fat, which is the kind of fat you don't have to worry about. And guess what? It doesn't have phosphorus. So, if someone has kidney problems, olive oil is a thumbs-up choice. The main fat in olive oil, oleic acid, is pretty cool because it can help calm down inflammation in your body. Plus, when you're cooking, olive oil won't let you down. It stays chill even when things heat up in the pan, making it a smart pack for your favorite dishes. So, not only does it taste good, but it also keeps your kidneys in mind. Isn't that great? 11. Red grapes, nature's heart-healthy candies. Red grapes aren't just a juicy snack, they're little health heroes. These tiny fruits come packed with antioxidants known as flavonoids. These natural compounds are like your body's own team of superheroes, fighting inflammation and guarding your heart against villains like disease and diabetes. Why are they so great for your kidneys? These flavonoids help to keep everything in balance, making sure that while your heart is protected, your kidneys don't get overwhelmed. It's like having a built-in system that ensures all parts of you are taken care of. After hearing all of this, why not grab a bunch of red grapes? They're tasty, they're healthy, and your whole body, including your kidneys, will thank you for it. 10. Red peppers, a crunchy champion for kidney health. Red peppers could be your kidney's best friends, especially if you need to watch your potassium intake. These colorful veggies are not just tasty, but are also packed with nutrients your kidneys love. They are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant superhero that protects your body, including your kidneys. Plus, they have folate and vitamin B6, which are crucial for creating red blood cells that carry oxygen all around your body. And let's not forget lycopene. It's the stuff that gives red peppers their vibrant color and helps keep your kidneys in top shape. Lycopene is like a guardian, looking out for your kidneys and helping to ward off problems that could lead to kidney failure. So, adding a crunch of red pepper to your meals not only spices things up, but also gives your kidney a healthful boost. 9. Cabbage, the leafy green protector of your kidneys. Cabbage isn't just for coleslaw, it's a nutrient-rich vegetable that's especially kind to your kidneys. It's packed with fiber, which is great for controlling blood sugar levels, a key factor in protecting kidney health by slowing down nutrient absorption. Fiber helps your kidneys maintain balance in your bloodstream, making it easier to manage toxins. This leafy green also boasts a healthy dose of folate and vitamin B6, which are essential for creating new red blood cells. And let's not forget vitamin C and K, which support overall bodily functions, including a healthy blood clotting process. The presence of phytonutrients in cabbage adds another layer of protection. Thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, these compounds work tirelessly to keep your kidneys functioning smoothly. 8. Cauliflower and broccoli, the florid duo for kidney care. Cauliflower and broccoli are more than just side dishes. They're a dynamic duo in the world of kidney care, loaded with vitamin C and folate. These cruciferous vegetables are friends to healthy kidneys. Cauliflower is a fiber powerhouse and comes with a suite of anti-inflammatory compounds that may help keep your kidneys in top shape. However, it's important to enjoy these veggies in moderation, especially if you're dealing with kidney issues or gout. While they're fantastic for those with healthy or mildly sluggish kidneys, they might not be the best choice if your kidneys are under significant strain. So, remember to consult with a healthcare professional to tailor your diet according to your kidney health. 7. Leafy greens, the green giants of kidney health. Did you know that leafy greens could be your kidney's best friends? These green giants, including mustard greens, dandelion leaves, and turnip greens, are bursting with vitamins like C and K, folate, fiber, and a treasure trove of phytonutrients. They take on the heavy lifting to ease stress on the kidneys, balance your blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and fight off inflammation. But how do they do it? For example, dandelion leaves are not just a common weed. They're a natural diuretic that helps your kidneys flush out waste more efficiently and may help lower your blood pressure. Have you considered how a simple addition of these greens to your meals can aid in maintaining your kidney health? It's quite remarkable how these vegetables can support our bodies in such powerful ways. So, next time you're at the grocery store, why not grab a bunch of these leafy greens and give your kidneys the nutrients they deserve? Don't go anywhere just yet. The foods we're about to dive are even more impressive for your kidney health than the ones we've just covered, and you definitely don't want to miss out on the top 3. They're absolute game changers for keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. So stay tuned right until the end to discover these powerhouse foods. 6. Garlic, the flavorful defender of kidney health. Garlic is a mighty member of the allium family, which also includes onions, shallots, chives, and leeks. What makes garlic a superhero for your kidneys? It's all thanks to allicin, an organic sulfur compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory powers. But that's not all. Garlic doesn't just pack a punch with flavor. It also battles infections, acts as an antioxidant, and can have a positive effect on your blood pressure. Ever wondered if something so common in your kitchen could be so beneficial to your health? Imagine, just by adding a bit of garlic to your meals, you could be supporting your kidney health in more ways than one. Isn't it amazing how some of the simplest ingredients have such impressive health benefits? So, the next time you're cooking, why not throw in an extra clove of garlic for your kidney's sake? 5. Apples, the crunchy cleaners of the kidneys. Apples are not just a tasty snack, they're also a powerful ally for your kidneys. Packed with fiber, apples excel at grabbing onto toxins in your digestive system and escorting them out before they can be absorbed. This little trick helps tighten the workload for your kidneys, keeping them cleaner and happier. But wait, there's more. Apples are also known for their ability to reduce inflammation and cholesterol, two things that can put extra strain on your kidneys. Isn't it cool how a simple fruit can do so much for your health? By munching on an apple a day, you might just keep the kidney doctor away. So, next time you reach for a snack, why not make it an apple and give your kidneys a helping hand? 4. Berries, nature's kidney protectors. Berries are nature's candy, but they're so much more than just a sweet treat. These little fruits are full of antioxidants and nutrients that are superheroes for your kidneys. They have special powers that help stop damage to your kidney cells, keeping them functioning smoothly. Have you ever heard about the kidney-friendly benefits of cranberries? They're famous for keeping your urinary system happy and preventing pesky infections. And let's not forget about blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries. They all have their unique way of guarding your kidneys against them. Raspberries, in particular, bring a secret weapon: ellagic acid. This antioxidant not only helps keep your kidneys in tip-top shape, but also wards off some cancers. So, why not give your kidneys a berry boost? A handful of these juicy gems could do wonders for your health. 3. Ginger, your kidney's spicy guardian. Ginger isn't just another addition to your meals. It's also a powerful ally for your kidneys. For centuries, this spice has been trusted to help with digestion, and it turns out it's also a kidney hero. Studies suggest ginger can shield your kidneys from harm that things like sugar, alcohol, and not drinking enough water can cause. Ginger is famous for its teamwork with other glands in our body. Together, they're like a duo for kidney care. It is known to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, which is super important because high blood pressure can be tough on your kidneys. So, next time you're cooking, remember that a sprinkle of ginger isn't just for flavor. It's also giving your kidneys some extra love. 2. Turmeric, a spice that protects. Turmeric, a cousin of ginger, is like a golden shield for your kidneys. This bright yellow spice is known for its strong anti-inflammatory powers and can help guard your kidneys against damage. But if your kidneys are already having a tough time, you might need to chat with your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet because it's got potassium in it. Ever wonder how to make turmeric even more powerful? Just add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains pepperine, which boosts the benefits of curcumin, the star compound in turmeric. Together, they form an incredible team that fights inflammation and helps keep your digestion on track. 1. Pineapple, the kidney-friendly sweetness. Here is the part that you all were waiting for, the fruit that many of you love. For those watching their kidney health, pineapple is a real treat. Unlike some other fruits, it's kind on your kidneys because it has less phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. It's the tropical fruit that brings the sunshine without the worry. Did you know that pineapples is also packed with fiber and vitamin A? But that's not all. It has a secret weapon called bromelain. This special enzyme is known for its ability to help calm down inflammation in the body. So, next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a pineapple. It's not just delicious, it's a smart choice for keeping your kidneys happy and healthy. We've explored a feast of foods that are not only delicious, but also kind to your kidneys, offering protection and repair. From the vibrant red peppers to the humble yet mighty olive oil, incorporating these into your diet can mean a world of difference for your kidney health. Remember, the best meals are those that nourish not just our bodies, but also our well-being. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll discuss the foods that you should not eat after 50. You won't want to miss the next one for sure. So, stay tuned. See you next time.